फाटले कांय म्हयने दुखापतीक लागून क्रिकेटींतल्यान भायर आशिल्लो सगुण कामत आता नव्या सिजना खातीर तयार जाला. ह्या जीपीएलांतलो सगळ्यांत म्हारग प्लेयर सगुण. साळगांवकर स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक खेळूंक मेळटलें म्हणून तो सामको खोशी आसा. सगुण आपल्या करियरांतली सगळ्यांत चड वर्सां साळगांवकरा खातीर खेळ्ळा आनी आतां ताका परत घरा आयिल्ल्याची खोशी आसा.
50,000 start bid and total 3,05,000 3,05,000 Salgaocar Sports Club 3,05,000 Salgaocar Sports Club call 3 7 common for Salgaocar Sports Club.
इस बार गेंद सीमारेखा के बाहर चैलेंज।
Look at that beauty! Picks it up, set and deliver! Salgaocar trying to open up! Remember Salgaocar Dhiga, longest six in this round.
Not having played for some time, did you expect you would be the best player, best pick in the auction?
I did expect this, but never expected to be with where I wanted always to be in Salgaocar. But things went very well for me. Last year I did well in the GPL, 3 days, 1 day, and even 2020. Got the highest runs last year, GPL 2020. And the Ranji Trophy season also went well, and so did Mohinadullah. And then came the injury part. I was expecting this prize to be very good for me, and things went as I wanted to. It's just a matter of time now when I get back to Salgaocar, where I always loved to play. I played almost 7 years for Salgaocar. It's an honor to be with them again. I almost lost it last year because Shadab was leading the side and they could only pick 2 players, and I'm very happy to be with them again.
And any plan of how you plan to approach that, because you're a T20 specialist, they've looked at that part also, but you've done also well in the 3 days. So any plan, because there might be some kind of a pressure on you, or you feel completely no pressure at all on your back?
It's very good to have a pressure, because it makes you a better player. And I always believed whenever you have the responsibility, whenever you want to do well, it's up to the responsibility what takes you ahead of others. And I always wanted responsibility. I always done well for Salgaocar. Hopefully things will go right, and hopefully I will do well again for Salgaocar this year.
Okay. Will you be skippering the side?
I don't know, as I haven't spoken to Prabjit Sandhu, who is the manager of the team. Hopefully, if I'm given the honor, I would definitely take it.
Saguni, we wish you all the best, and on your comeback as well. All the best for your career. Thanks so much. Thank you.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्यो आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकावंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करात. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकावंटाचेरय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. आनी इतल्यान हें खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.